I'm so glad to finally get the chance to sit down.
Yeah, work has been really hectic.
Yeah, I agree, but I've just been feeling run down for weeks.
Did you ever think it could be related to the foods that you were eating?
Not really.
Well, I just learned a lot about the nutrition labels and how they can help you make healthier choices.
Nutrition labels? What are those?
When selecting a bread, choose a whole wheat version because it contains good carbohydrates known as fiber, which can help keep you full. Fiber is located here on the food label underneath carbohydrate. Look for foods that contain 3 or more grams of fiber per serving. When selecting milk, choose a low-fat or fat-free version because full-fat versions contain unhealthy fats called saturated fat, which may put you at an increased risk for heart disease. To keep you and your family healthy, look at saturated fat on the food label. It is located here, and you should try to choose products with less than 1.5 grams per serving. Peanut butter contains good fats that can help lower your cholesterol. Look at the food label to see if they are present. You want these numbers to be higher and saturated fat numbers to be lower to keep your heart healthy.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling much better, actually. After learning how to read a food label, I'm able to make healthier food choices.
That's so good to hear.